Ever wondered if you can make glow-in-the-dark ashtrays? Or just make anything resin affiliated glow in the dark? Well, you can. This is a fun DIY project that anyone can do. You will need your resin, a resin mold, glow in the dark powder, cups to mix the resin in, and stir sticks. So I have poured 8 ounces of part A and B, making a total of 16 ounces. Now I don't need this much for this ashtray. The ashtray takes 4 ounces, so that's 2 ounces of part A and B. I have other orders to do, which is why I made so much. Once you have equal parts of your resin poured out, you can then start mixing it together until you no longer see streaks in your resin. Now I'm pouring the 4 ounces I need into a different cup so I can begin mixing in the glow-in-the-dark powder. The powder I'm using is called Diatoku Purple from Eye Candy. This comes in a sample pack with 11 other glow-in-the-dark colors, I believe. I'm going to use a generous amount. You can use as much as you feel, but be sure not to add too much because too much pigment or too much powder can lead to your resin piece not curing properly. I decided to add some glitter because the purple was looking kind of plain Jane. The glitter won't sink all the way to the bottom if the resin is a little bit thicker. After that, you can pour straight into your resin mold. So now I'm just going to let this sit a little bit so the resin can thicken a little. If you liked the video so far, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Now that it's been 24 hours, it's ready to come out of the mold. I wanted most of the chunky glitter around the edge, but do you see the smaller pieces of glitter on the side? That's why I let the resin sit a little bit so everything wouldn't sink all the way to the bottom. And this is what it looks like glowing in the dark. I was hoping it would glow purple, but I guess this will do. One thing I will say though, to get the brightest glowing effect, it needs to be activated with either natural sunlight or a UV lamp. Other than that, I think it's pretty cool. I encourage you to give this DIY project a try and be sure to tag us in your results. See you later.